Want to sign up for your favorite streaming service, online game, or exclusive content, but don't want to use a credit card? It's a common dilemma. You want the subscription, but maybe you prefer not to tie it to your main bank account for security or budgeting reasons. Well, if you see the Paysafe logo at checkout, you're in luck. Paysafe offers a secure, simple way to pay for subscriptions and memberships without needing to expose your bank or credit card details. This guide will walk you through exactly how to set it up, focusing on the two main ways you can use Paysafe for those recurring payments, with a Paysafe card account, or, where supported, with the prepaid PIN itself. First, let's talk about the best and most common method for subscriptions, the MyPaysafe account. This is the key to managing recurring payments. Step 1. Create and load your MyPaysafe account. Go to the official Paysafe website or use their mobile app to sign up for a free MyPaysafe account. It only takes a few minutes. Once registered, you'll need to load it with funds. You can do this by buying a Paysafe card voucher with a 16-digit PIN from a local retailer, or sometimes even online, and then simply depositing that cash value into your online account balance. Step 2. Choose Paysafe at checkout. When you're ready to subscribe to your chosen service, whether it's a gaming membership, a streaming platform, or a software license, go to their payment page. Look for the Paysafe logo and select it as your payment method. Step 3. Log in and confirm. The system will redirect you to a Paysafe login screen. Here, you'll enter your MyPaysafe account details, not a 16-digit PIN. The subscription will typically be set up to deduct a recurring fee automatically from your account balance on the billing date. You simply confirm the purchase. Why is the account better for subscriptions? Because the standard 16-digit Paysafe card PIN is designed for single, one-time transactions. For a subscription that bills monthly or yearly, the service needs a stored payment method, and your MyPaysafe account provides just that, acting like a prepaid digital wallet. It allows for continuous charges while keeping your bank information completely separate. Now, a quick note on the second method, using a single 16-digit PIN. Some services, especially those that use a currency system like some online games, might allow you to purchase that currency with a single Paysafe PIN, and then you use that to buy a month or two of membership. This method is handy for short-term access, but it's not a true recurring subscription setup. You'll have to manually repeat the process every time the subscription expires. So, for long-term, hassle-free subscribing, the MyPaysafe account is the way to go. It gives you control, privacy, and keeps all your subscription money in one dedicated place. You only spend what you load, making budgeting a breeze. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.